Spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अम्यांशहस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणं कृष्णं नारायणं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे व्रजप्रियं कृष्णं द्वैपायनं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे प्रथासुतम् सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। रमापतिपदाम्भोज परिस्फुरति मानसं सेनापतिमहं वन्दे विश्वक्सेन निरन्तरम् प्रह्लाद नारद पराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीश शुक शौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् पुण्यानि मान् परमभागवतान् स्मरामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतः चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः। तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयः यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमः निर्मत्सराणां सता वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्। श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेति कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात्। निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवत रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। यस्वानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितितीर्षतान्तमोऽन्धम् संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यम् तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनाम् नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नमः पंकजनाभाय नमः पंकजमालिने नमः पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजाङ्घ्रये यस्य भगवताख्या सर्वेषां भक्तिदानृणां स एव करुणा सिन्धुः बोधितात्मा गुरुर्मम तस्मै श्री वासुदेवाय धरणीसुररूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय तुभ्यं श्री गुरवे नमः। शङ्खचक्रगदा पद्मधारिणे गुरुरूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय वासुदेवाय ते नमः। संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनं मां करुणानिधे कर्मग्राहगृहीताङ्गं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यः दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूप प्रबोधज्ञ सर्वशास्त्रविशारद एतत् कथा प्राकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खं कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रम् राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्रीमद्भागवतमाहात्म्यम् अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। भक्तिरुवाच जयति जगति माया यस्य कायाधवस्ते वचन रचनमेकं केवलं चाकलय्य ध्रुवपदमपि यातो यत्कृपातो ध्रुवोऽयं सकलकुशलपात्रं ब्रह्मपुत्रं नतास्मि। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Bhagavatam session. We have seen up till here the Narada Stuti. Bhakti, she glorifies Lord Narada. Now we go into the next chapter. Sahana, Uma. Atha dvitiyoऽध्यायः.
Atha द्वितीयोऽध्यायः.
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः.
नारद उवाच
नारद उवाच
नारद उवाच
वृथा खेदयसे बाले
वृथा खेदयसे बाले
वृथा
अहो
खेदयसे बाले
अहो चिन्तातुरा कथम्
अहो चिन्तातुरा कथम्
अहो चिन्तातुरा कथम्
श्रीकृष्ण चरणाम्भोजम्
श्रीकृष्णचरणाम्भोजम्
श्रीकृष्णचरणाम्भोजम्
स्मर स्मर दुःखं गमिष्यति
स्मरदुःखं गमिष्यति
स्मर दुःखं गमिष्यति।
Okay. Smar. Shri Krishna Charanam Bhojam Smara. And then Dukkam Gamishyati. But okay, we should not, we should keep the pada together over there. Vritha khedayase bale aho chintatura katham.
वृथा खेदयसे बाले अहो चिन्तातुरा कथम्
वृथा खेदयसे बाले अहो चिन्तातुरा कथम्
Shri Krishna Charanam Bhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
श्रीकृष्णचरणाम्भोजं oh, the whole thing at the same time.
Yeah, together.
Keep it together. Bhojam Smara.
Shri
Krishna Charana Bhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Okay. Shri Krishna Charana Bhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Bhojam Smara.
Shri Krishna Charana Bhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Shri Krishna Charanambhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Narada Uvacha Vritha Khedayase Bale Aho Chintatura Katham Shri Krishna Charanam Bhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Narada Uvacha Vritha Khedayase Bale Aho Chintatura Katham Shri Krishna Charanambhojam Smara Dukkam Gamishyati.
Good. So then she was in that distress we saw. Then she glorifies Naradji. So now Naradji is talking to her. So Naradji says, Bale, oh little girl, oh young girl, Bale. Vritha khedayase. Vritha, unnecessarily. Khedayase, you are worrying. You are feeling sad, you are distressed. Vritha, unnecessarily you are feeling distressed. So, aho bale. So, oh lady, oh young girl, oh bale. Vritha khedayase. Chintatura katham. Why there is this need of becoming so much grief-stricken? There is no need of becoming chintatura, grief-stricken. Krishna Charanam Bhojam Smara. Think of Lord's feet, lotus feet of Krishna. Smara. Smara is Tvam Smara. So it's a Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. Okay. So it says as an order or a request. It's called a Prerana. So Prerana Rupa is Smara, Tvam Smara. So if you think of him and Dukkham Gamishyati, all your sorrows will go. So think of Lord's feet, think of Shri Krishna Charanam Bhoja, and you will get freedom from your grief. Narada Uvacha Vritha Khedayase Bale Aho Chintatura Katham Shri Krishna Charanam Bhojam Smara गमिष्यते. Shrikar, any other child is with him? Okay, Shrikar, you can say 2 times. Draupadi cha paritrata.
द्रौपदी च परित्राता द्रौपदी च परित्राता
येन कौरवकश्मलात्. Your mother is there with you?
No.
येन कौरवकश्मलात्.
येन कौरवकश्मलात् येन कौरवकश्मलात्
पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः.
पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः
स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः.
स कृष्णः
कृष्णः.
स Can you say again?
कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः.
स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः
द्रौपदी च परित्राता येन कौरवकश्मलात्.
द्रौपदी च परित्राता येन कौरवकश्मलात् द्रौपदी च परित्राता येन कौरवकश्मलात्
पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः.
पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः द्रौपदी च परित्राता येन कौरवकश्मलात् पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः द्रौपदी च परित्राता येन कौरवकश्मलात् पालिता गोपसुन्दर्यः स कृष्णः क्वापि नो गतः.
So Draupadi cha paritrata, the one who had rescued or protected Draupadi from whom? From by Kaurava Kashmalat, from the harassment from Kaurava. So Kashmalat, from that is a Panchami Vibhakti. So we get it from the harassment of Kauravas. So she was protected. Then Palita Gopa Sundaryaha. All the gopis, all the beautiful gopis, they were nurtured, they were nourished, they were palitaha by Krishna. So by Krishna, all these things were done. So Kwapi no gataha, all that is gone nowhere. Kwapi no gataha, it's not gone anywhere. Means he's trying to say that Krishna, who has done all these favors, he is still over here. So you just remember him is what is the verse saying. Draupadi cha paritrata yena kauravakashmalat palita gopasundaryaha sa krishnah kwapi no gataha. Shreyas, Saradaji. Tvantu bhakti priya tasya
त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य
त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य
सततं प्राणतोऽधिकः
सततं प्राणतोऽधिकः
सततं प्राणतोऽधिकः
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान्
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान्
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान्
यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
त्वन्तु भक्तिस्प्रिया तस्य सततं प्राणतोऽधिकाः सॉरी सततं प्राणतोऽधिका
teacher, but you said aha kaha first.
sorry
प्राणतोऽधिकः you told.
At
yeah
first,
so that is not so I corrected it and pranatodhika
okay. त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य सततं प्राणतोऽधिका
त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य सततं प्राणतोऽधिका
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान् यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान् यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान् यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य सततं प्राणतोऽधिका त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान् यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
त्वन्तु भक्तिः प्रिया तस्य सततं प्राणतोऽधिका त्वया हूतस्तु भगवान् यातिनी च गृहेष्वपि
very beautiful line this is tvantu bhakti you bhakti priyatasya you are his favorite and satatam pranatodhika you are always his favorite and more than dear to him you are as dear as his life to him or even more than that who bhakti is dear to Krishna is what Naradji is telling. Tvaya ahutaha. So those two lines, signs are called avagraha, stands for a. Tvaya ahutaha. If called by you, ahutaha called, tvaya by you. Tritiya ekvachan. Bhagavan yati. Bhagavan comes. Neecha griheshvapi. Even if it is the most poorest house also. If anybody is calling him in by devotion, Bhagavan will come. So what assurance? So even if the house, it's not okay only in a rich house or only in a good house. Even if a poor person's hut also, Bhagavan will come. If called by you. You means who? By Bhakti. So Naradji is telling this to Bhakti. That, oh Bhakti, you are so dear to Krishna, more dearer than his own life, that if you call him, he reaches anywhere. It's no big or small. Such a nice verse this is. Tvantu bhakti priya tasya satatam pranatodhika tvaya hutastu bhagavan yatini cha griheshvapi. Any kids I have left? All done? Okay. Radhika, Radha Krishna. Satyaditri Okay. So now what happens over here? Bodha Vairagya are two words together. So we can't separate it. So we have to say the whole line together. Satyaditri bodha vairagyau mukti sadhakau.
Satyaditri bodha vairagyau mukti sadhakau.
Satyaditri bodha vairagyo mukti sadhakau.
Don't pause at bodha. Bodha vairagyau. Keep it together. Because
Okay.
bodha vairagyau, that
Bo-
vibhakti gyau
bodha.
au is for two. It's a dvivachan. So So bodha, if we separate, then vairagya alone will not have meaning. Bodha vairagya combined is that vibhakti, dvivachan.
Shall I repeat again?
Yes, please say.
Satyadi triyuge bodha vairagyo mukti sadhakau.
Very good. Kalau tu kevala bhakti.
कलौ तु केवला भक्तिः
Mahaprana bhakti.
कलौ तु केवला भक्तिः
Kalau tu kevala bhakti.
So that both of you should keep bhakti rasva. Bhakti we cannot rest because T is rasa. Bhakti like that. Brahma sayujyakarini.
ब्रह्म सायुज्यकारिणी
Brahma sayujyakarini.
Satyaaditriyuge bodha vairagyau mukti sadhakau.
सत्यादित्रियुगे बोध वैराग्यौ मुक्ति साधकौ
Satyaditriyuge bodha vairagyo mukti sadhakau.
Kalau tu kevala bhakti brahma sayujyakarini.
कलौ तु केवला भक्तिः ब्रह्म सायुज्यकारिणी
Kalau tu kevala bhakti brahma sayujyakarini.
Again, a very beautiful verse. Satyadi Triyuge. Which are Satyadi Triyuga? Satyug, Tretayug, and Dwapar-yug. Satyadi Triyuga. So Sat Adi, Satyadi, Satadi Triyuge. In the Triyuga, Satadi, Sat, Treta, and Dwapar-yuga. In that, Bodha and Vairagya. Jnana and Vairagya, dispassion. So these two, Jnana and Vairagya, the knowledge and dispassion, these are the only thing for Mukti Sadhaka. To gain liberation, these are the only two methods in these three yugas, Sat, Treta, and Dwapar. Means we have to strive very hard to be a fit student, then to go on the path of knowledge and having all those sadhana chatushtay and holding the dispassion. So in these three yugas, it is like that for Mukti Sadhaka. But Kalau means in Kali Yuga, to kevala, only bhakti, Brahma Sayujyakarini, to unite with Brahma Sayujya, to have the same realization as Brahma. You should always go on mute, not to keep yourself unmuted because all your movements are a disturbance. Sayujyakarini is the reason for uniting with Brahman. Which one? In Kali Yuga, Bhakti alone is the way or the method for Brahma Sayujya. Satyaditriyuge bodha vairagyau mukti sadhakau kalau tu kevala bhakti Brahma Sayujyakarini. Lataji, Dhariniji. Iti nishchitya chidrupaha.
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः
Sadrupan tvam sasarjaha.
सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः
सद्रूपां त्वां ससर्जः
Paramananda chinmurtihi.
परमानन्द चिन्मूर्तिः
परमानन्द चिन्मूर्तिः
Chinmurtihi. Okay. Sundaring Krishna Vallabha.
सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः
परमानन्दचिन्मूर्तिः सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
परमानन्दचिन्मूर्तिः सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
परमानन्दचिन्मूर्तिः सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः परमानन्दचिन्मूर्तिः सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्
इति निश्चित्य चिद्रूपः सद्रूपान् त्वां ससर्जः परमानन्दचिन्मूर्तिः सुन्दरीं कृष्णवल्लभाम्.
Very good. So now he says, iti nischitya. So thus, iti is thus. What? That Chidrupa, who Krishna Vallabham, the last word. So he is beloved, he is dear. So the beloved Krishna, this Paramananda Chinmurti, this Chidrupa, this, what we can say, the supreme bliss, he has Tvam Sasarja Sadrupam. Sasarja comes from this dhatu called Sruja. Sruja is to create, to produce, to make. So Lord has made you to this Sadrupa, to this beautiful form. He has made you Sundari. So it is His grace, this bhakti has been beautified and made young, or bhakti is given beauty, or Lord has created this beauty called bhakti. This, so iti nishchitya. So this we can confirm. Iti and tvam. So Naraji is telling bhakti that you are made like this by Lord. Made beautiful. Iti nishchitya chidrupaha sadrupan tvam sasarjaha Paramananda Chinmurtihi Sundarim Krishna Vallabham. Sajeev ji, Pushpa ji. Badhvanjalim tvaya prishtam.
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टम्
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टम्
Kinkaroमीति chaikada.
किं करोमीति चैकदा
किं करोमीति चैकदा
Tvantadadnyapayat Krishnaः
त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः
त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः
Madbhaktan poshayeti cha.
मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टं किं
Okay, maybe I
करो
should say that full line, right?
Okay, sorry.
Badhvanjalim tvaya prishtam kinkaromiti chaikada.
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टं किं किं करोमीति चैकदा
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टं किं करोमीति चैकदा
त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टं किं करोमीति चैकदा त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
बद्ध्वाञ्जलिं त्वया पृष्टं किं करोमीति चैकदा त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च
Very beautiful verse again. Cha ekada, that first line, last word. Ekada, once. What happened? Bagdhvanjalim, putting the anjali together, tying both the hands with folded hands. Ekada, swaya prishtam. It was asked by you. Swaya, tritiya, ekvachan. Swaya, by you. Prishtam was asked. Kim karomi iti. What should I do? Like that, Bhakti had once asked Krishna. Once, somewhere long back. Tada, that time, tvam, to you. So this is dvitiya ekvachan. Tvam is you. Tvam is to you. Tvaya is by you. So now we know. Prathama vibhakti, dvitiya vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, all ekvachan. All came into in this one. This. Tvam is you. Tvam is now in this word is to you. Dvitiya vibhakti. So the meaning changes to you. And tvaya was in the first line. Tvaya is by you. So by you it was asked, what should I do? Tvam tada ajñāpayat. Krishna had ordered or Krishna had told you that time to you what? Mat bhaktan, my bhaktas. So bhaktan is bhaktaha, ekvachan of akaranta pullinga, but bhaktan bahuvachan of dvitiya vibhakti. Bhaktan, like devan. To my bhaktas, poshaya, you nourish, iti cha. Poshaya iti. Poshaya iti, plus e will become a, that is again sandhi root, poshayeti cha. So that time Krishna had told that you take care of my bhaktas. Such a beautiful order he has. He had commanded her that time. Ajñāpayat. Badhvanjalin tvaya prishtam किं करोमीति चैकदा त्वां तदा ज्ञापयत् कृष्णः मद्भक्तान् पोषयेति च. निखिला जी, श्री हरि जी. अंगीकृतं त्वया तद्वै
अंगीकृतं त्वया तद्वै
अंगीकृतं त्वया तद्वै
प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा.
प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा.
प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा.
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं.
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं.
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं.
ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ.
ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ.
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वै प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वै प्रसन्नो भूद्वरिस्तदा
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वै प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ
मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वै प्रसन्नो भूद्धरिस्तदा मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वौ प्रसन्नो बुद्धरिस्तदा मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ
Say again the first line.
अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वौ
तद्वै
sorry अङ्गीकृतं त्वया तद्वै प्रसन्नो बुद्धरिस्तदा मुक्तिं दासीं ददौ तुभ्यं ज्ञानवैराग्यकाविमौ.
Okay, bhu should also be mahaprana. So angikrutam tvaya tadvai. So you accepted tvaya by you, tritiya. Angikrutam, by you it was accepted. And prasannaha abhut harihi. So hari and then bhut's ta and hari's her will join to form that sandhi over there, the and the. So prasannaha abhut halantata harihi tada. So that time Hari became very happy, prasannaha. So he was in a very, in a blessed mood for you. And in that blessed mood, he conferred on you. What did he give? Dadau, he gave what? Tubhyam, to you. It is Chaturthi now. So wow, we have learned Tubhyam, Chaturthi. So for, Chaturthi denotes for. Dasi, as her maid servant, as her helper, Dasi is Mukti. Mukti is liberation. Mukti is given as a servant to Bhakti. And Jnana Vairagya Kau Imau, it's a Sandhi. These, so because those two are lying down over there, Imau, so pointing out towards those two who are lying down to old, Imau, these two, Jnana Vairagya, these two, and this Mukti as Dasi were given. So these two as your sons and Mukti as your Dasi was given to you that time because you had readily agreed. So this is Lord's blessings. That her job is to poshaya his bhaktas. So because she agreed, Lord has granted that Dasi will be, her Dasi will be Mukti and her sons will be Jnana and Vairagya. Okay. Angikritam tvaya tadvai prasanno bhuddharistada muktim dasin dadau tubhyam jnana vairagya kavimau. Anne, Binaji. Poshanau svena rupena.
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण
वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय
छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
भूषणौ स्वेन रूपेण वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्
पोषणौ स्वेन रूपेण वैकुण्ठे त्वं करोषि च भूमौ भक्तविपोषाय छायारूपं त्वया कृतम्.
Very good. So now what happens over here? Svena Rupena, by your original form, Swarupa. So Svena Rupena, Tritiya Vibhakti, by your original form, Vaikunthe, in Vaikuntha, Tvam Poshanam Karoshi. You were doing the Poshana, you were doing the nourishment of Vaikuntha people in your original form. Bhumau, and on the earth, Chaya Rupam. So with your shadow form. So original form in Vaikuntha and her shadow form, Bhakta Viposhaya Tvaya Kritam. By you, Bhakta Poshana was done on Bhumi. So Chaya Rupa in Bhumi and Swarup in Vaikuntha, Bhakti was nourishing devotees in these both places. Poshanam Svena Rupena Vaikunthe Tvam Karoshi Cha Bhumau Bhakta Viposhaya Chaya Rupan Tvaya Kritam. Time is up, but I see Nirupama's hand up. I'll take Nirupama and okay, Sharda, and we'll see how much time we have. Nirupama will chant twice, and then if necessary, we will do the second round for you, huh, Shreyas and Sharda. We'll see how much time we take with this first. Muktin Jnanam Viraktin Cha.
Muktin Jnanam Viraktin Cha. Muktin Jnanam Viraktin Cha.
Where's your mother today?
वो पीछे बैठे हैं because उनका पिछली बार अच्छा नहीं था ना, तो उनको थोड़ा डर लग गया कि maybe she is wasting little time.
बुला लीजिए उनको.
आइए. quickly आइए.
डर के मारे पीछे बैठोगे तो पीछे ही रह जाओगे. आसान है, बहुत आसान है, आ जाएगा, आसानी से आ जाएगा. मुक्तिं ज्ञानं विरक्तिं च.
मुक्ति ज्ञानं विरक्तिं च.
बहुत खूबसूरत. सह कृत्वा गता भुवि.
सह कृत्वा गता भुवि. सह कृत्वा गता भुवि
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तम्
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तम्
कृतादि का दी ह्रस्व कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तम्
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तम् कृताद्विद्वापरस्वान्तम्
स्वा नहीं स्या बोलना है
कृताद्विद्वापरस्वान्तम्
जी महानंदेन संस्थिता
महानन्देन संस्थिता महानन्देन संस्थिता
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 स्थिता
स्थिता
मुक्तिं हाँ जी बोलिए
महानन्देन संस्थिता
स्थिता जैसे हम स्थिति बोलती है ना स्थिति कैसी है वैसे स्थिता
स्थिता संस्थिता
करेक्ट मुक्तिं ज्ञानौ विरक्तिं च सह कृत्वा गता भुवि
मुक्तिं ज्ञानौ विरक्तिं च सह कृत्वा गता भुवि मुक्ति ज्ञानौ विरक्तिं च सह कृत्वा गता भुवि
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तं महानन्देन संस्थिता
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तं महानन्देन संस्थिता कृताद्विद्वापरस्वान्तम्
द्वि नहीं है कृतादि द्वि नहीं है वहां सिर्फ दी है कृतादिद्वा द्वि नहीं बोलना है कृताद्वि नहीं बोलना है कृतादि सिर्फ दी बोलना है
कृतादिद्वापरस्वान्तम्
स्यांतम स्वा बोल रहे हैं आप वो व नहीं है वो य है वहां पर
कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तम् महानन्देन संस्थिता Can I do the full notes?
Yes.
मुक्तिं ज्ञानौ विरक्तिं च सह कृत्वा गता भुवि कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तं महानन्देन संस्थिता मुक्ति ज्ञानौ विरक्तिं च सह कृत्वा गता भुवि कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तं महानन्देन संस्थिता.
So this mukti, jnana and virakti means that mukti, the freedom, the moksha, the liberation, jnana, the knowledge, virakti, the dispassion, sahakritva, taking them together, gata bhuvi, this bhakti came to earth. Okay. Then krutadi dvaparasyantam. From Krita till the end of the Dwapara Yuga, Mahanandena samsthita. Samsthita stayed. Mahanandena by great happiness. Tritiya vibhakti. So she came once she was blessed by Lord, then she came to earth with this Mukti Jnana and Virakti. Mukti Jnana Virakti cha Sahakritva gata bhuvi कृतादिद्वापरस्यान्तं महानन्देन संस्थिता. We can do one more verse for okay. Oh my God, so many hands are up now. Okay, then I will take the newcomers. So Shreyas and Shrikar, you have finished your turn, so I'll not take you, my child. Though I like taking kids always, but I'll take now Vandana and Vidyaji who have raised their hands for the first time. And this would be our last verse for today. Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta.
Keep your camera on.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta.
Kshayam prapta.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta.
Pakhanda maya pidita.
Pakhanda maya pidita.
Pakhanda maya mirita.
Mirita no, pidita.
Pidita. I'm sorry, I'm not having the script has somehow disappeared from my this thing. Pakhanda. Kalau mukti kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita.
Tvadadnaya gata shighram.
Tvadagya gata shighram.
Tvadagnaya gata shighram.
Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita.
Tvadadnyaya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Tvadagya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Tvadagyaya you don't say. Ga is Hindi. Ga is guttural sound.
Tvadagya gata shighram.
Tvadadnyaya.
Tvadadnyaya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Tvadagnaya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Full verse.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita. Tvadagnaya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
Just say the word Tvadadnyaya.
Tvadadnyaya.
Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta. Pakhanda maya pidita. Tvadagnaya gata shighram. Vaikuntham punarevasa.
So Kalau, in Kali Yuga, what happens? This Pakhanda Amaya Piditaha. Pidita is getting suffering of. Amaya Pidita, suffering of this disease of what? Pakhanda, lies, untruth. Because of that kind of a suffering, Muktihi, the liberation, Kshayam Prapta, it reduced. The power of liberation, the power of moksha, the power of freedom reduced, Kshayam Prapta, or it diminished, or it couldn't survive amongst all the lies and cheatings in the Kali Yuga. So what happens? Tvat Adnyaya Gata. So with your Adnya, with your command, Adnyaya, Tritiya, by your command, by whose? By Bhakti's command, Shighram Vaikuntham Punareva Sa Gata. Sa Gata. She went who Mukti went Punaha again to where? To Vaikuntha. So Mukti, which was there on earth, went back to Vaikuntha because of people's bad behavior, and Bhakti only had commanded that Mukti should go back to Vaikuntha. Okay. Kalau muktihi kshayam prapta pakhanda maya pidita tvadadnyaya gata shighram vaikuntham punarevasa. And it is shighram gata. She went very quickly. Mukti couldn't stay only seeing how our behaviors are. Yeah, right. We enjoy world. We don't enjoy Lord. If we can enjoy Lord through the world, it would have been better. But we forget Lord when we enjoy. So may His Paduka, which are there as my background image, be in our background mind as an image. And whatever actions we do, whatever we enjoy, may it be through Him, via Him. This can be, tomorrow is our Hindu New Year. This can be our resolution that let there be more sadhana. Let His Charana Smarana be my background mind image, not just my Zoom background image. May that Mukti which is gone to Vaikuntha, let with our Bhakti, the Mukti come over here to us. And we make this Jnana Vairagya, her old sons lying there listless. We can make them young and active probably with the grace of Bhakti. So at this note, we stop over here. Any questions we have in these first 10 verses, today's verses? All are beautiful verses only.
Varsha ji?
Ji.
I just wanted to know in verse number 9. So this is a little bit only, I was a little confused when you said that, God told, the bhakti. So basically bhakti and mukti. So Bhagwan gave mukti to bhakti and then both of them came together. That's how we taking that she brought bhakti or,
Lord gave mukti as a dasi to bhakti.
Okay.
Mukti is a servant of bhakti. So if you have bhakti, the dasi will follow. Automatically mukti will follow. And Jnana and Vairagya are her two sons.
Okay, exactly.
With bhakti only that will develop.
Yeah.
So may this Hindu New Year we develop bhakti.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Any more questions? Okay, so on this note, we end. Tomorrow there is a new class beginning. Tomorrow is also Vasanta Navratri, first day starting. We are starting with Durga Saptashati, learning word to word, like how we learned Gita 700 verses. These 700 verses we'll be learning in our Gita time slot. So since Gita is completed in the same time slot we are going to do, but tomorrow being the new year and first day of Navratri, tomorrow is the first session. We'll do only 7 verses tomorrow and then regular classes every Sunday 9 o'clock. So the following Sunday, the 3rd of April at the regular time, we meet as a weekly class starts. So those who have not yet joined, want to join, please message. For this session, we'll be having audio corrections and everything on weekly basis, like how our Gita class went on for a year and a half with audio corrections and all. Like that in detail, audio corrections for Devi Mahatmya, Durga Saptashati will be there from tomorrow onwards. So please message me if anybody wants to join. Apart from that, Misha is going to chant every day for these 9 days from 2 to 9th. Those who want to join her chanting, even if you don't know how to chant, I will strongly recommend listen to her chant. Once you listen to her melodious chanting, you will fall in love with the Durga Saptashati. It's so melodious. And to get that kind of a stamina, one must see what one must achieve in chanting. You see her, then you would be able to follow your class to achieve that kind of bhav and bhakti. So those who want to join her session, also please message me so that I can share you all the WhatsApp link, because that's going to be a different link and not our regular class. This is Nisha's class, a separate class. Okay. So on this note, let's end today's session, and a happy new year to all of you in advance. Keep your spine straight, mute yourself, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Muting is so difficult, huh? Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. See you all next week.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji.
Dhanyavadah, Varsha. Happy Yugadi.
Happy Yugadi. Happy Gudi Padwa.
Happy Gudi Padwa.
Hari Om, teacher.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, my
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Pranam.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varsha ji. Thank you.
Hari Om, Ji. Thank you. Hari Om, Ji.
Thank you so much for
Varsha ji. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari Om.
Varsha. This is such a beautiful journey. Thank you so much. Really
My
blessed.
pleasure. My pleasure.
Thanks a lot.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.